how to make catchy little thumbnail for your YouTube video in 5 minutes. The first thing to do is by taking pose either before or during or after filming your videos, then screenshot it. Something like this. Yes, or better still, take good pictures with your phone camera. Something like this. These are the pictures I use for my thumbnail. This type of picture. Are you seeing them? So then head over to your Play Store. After I've done your picture, either I take picture or you screenshot, then now head over to your Play Store. Just look at my site too. So let's wait for a little. Then what? You search for Canva. Are you seeing me searching for it? Yes, just look at my site. When you search for Canva, then you install it. So let's wait a little for it to download. Yes. After it has downloaded, then sign up with Canva. If you don't have an account with them, open an account with them. But if you do, no need, just log in. So me, I don't need to sign up. I've already downloaded for. I'm just updating it. So after that, head over to your browser. Any browser of your choice, either Chrome, Safari, Internet, whatever browser that you like. Head over to there. Yes. And search for Remove.bg. Yes. The BG means background. Remove background. Remove.bg. Then you press enter. Are you seeing it? When it's load, upload your image and wait for it to remove the background. Are you seeing it? After it has removed the background, click on downloads and it brings preview. Are you seeing it? Then it downloads very fast. It all depends on your network. Just look at my side as I'm doing it. It all depends on your network. After I've downloaded it, after that, minimize your phone. So now, you head over to your Canva application, the one we have downloaded just now, that we just downloaded now. Let me just open my eyes. So let me search for my own. When it opens, I want you to know Canva has made. I want you to know Canva has already made templates. Yes. And another thing about Canva, it can be used for so many reasons. It's not only for YouTube thumbnail though. It can be used for videos. Just look at my side though. Mobile videos. Just look at the side though. Instagram posts, your stories, Instagram stories, phone wallpaper, and if you see the wallpaper, they are nice. Yes, be checking them. Logo, presentation, poster, document, resume, and many more. Just look at my site. Are you seeing them? So you can check it out yourself. But we are here for YouTube thumbnail, so you don't have to stress yourself too much or start from scratch because you already have ready-made templates. All you have to do is go to the search icon and look for YouTube thumbnail. Are you seeing it's loading? It's loading now. But I want you to know some of them are free, while some of them are paid. Like some of them are paid version, premium version. So you can search for the one that is free. And then let me just show you some of the thumbnails. Because there are plenty thumbnails, depending on what you want to. Yes. So let's still be scrolling. Are you seeing that thumbnail is plenty? So anyway, we just pick one. So when we pick one, for example now, let's pick this one. When it's load, here you see, sometimes to load fast, everything is ready on your network. So first of all, we change the picture because that's not a picture that is there. Yes, cannot use that picture that is there. We change to our own personal picture. So when the picture loads, you click on the picture. Yes, click on the picture I want to change. When the picture loads, click on replace. And we would see the picture we just downloaded, the one that we just removed the background to. Remember, remove the background to Remove.bg. That's it. Yes. And just see too. So we have replaced already. Then it will be added automatically. So you can shift it to where on the thumbnail so that it not be too big. You how will I put it? You resize it, resize the mark. You do it well, you set it well. So after we have done the picture, the next is to what? Edit our text. Yes, because we cannot use it like that. Some tests are not what we want. So we do that by what? Clicking on the word, then press edit and put whatever we want. Yes. Then we are done with creating a very easy and catchy thumbnail. So what? We download it. Then while it's downloading, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next video. While it has downloaded, I hope you found this video helpful. Sorry, special announcement. I've already started back on my TikTok channel and my Instagram channel. Please, I want you to go and support me in my two channels, Instagram and TikTok. So I'm back on all of them back. I beg. Yeah, that. Can support me back. So see you in my next video. Hi, yeah, good guys. Bye. So let me add something. In case you did not get this particular how to make thumbnail, you can also check my video on how to create thumbnail with CapCut. This video